Hey guys, prepare yourself because in this video I'm gonna show you a mind-blowing strategy to promote your affiliate products like a boss, and for sure for free, step by step. And now let's get started. And the first step, you've got to decide the product you want to promote regarding your topic and your niche. And of course, I will leave down below in the description box in the first comment a big list of the best affiliate networks for beginners. And if you are focusing on the beauty and weight loss niche, so I recommend you this amazing website that is Nutriprofits.com. Here you can find a plethora of different products related to different niches. And the best part, this registration process will take more than 1 minute and you are set. So after sign up here for free on Nutriprofits.com, you will be taken to the dashboard in this amazing website where you can go to offers, and then you can find a variety of different products related to different niches as you see, like for eye health, joint health, urinary tract support, and for infections, for hair, weight loss, for immunity, stress, and much more. And the best part, here you can find lifetime cookies for every single product and with the syndic commission as you observe. So for example, if I pick one of these beautiful products to promote, like I want to take this one, Rivamen, for stretch marks. So for many women and for postnatal, they're complaining about these stretch marks. So you can give him a help to promote this product Rivamen. With this, the commission $37 for every single sale. So that you can go to this product as you see. In addition, here you can find a beautiful feature on this amazing Nutriprofits.com. That is, if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you can find some resources and help you to promote this product. Whether you can find some banners, images, and some mailing swipes. So you can download this file, images or banners as you want. Then you can take advantage of them later on this video. And the next step, just you can take this amazing description. Okay. And now you can head over to an amazing website that is AIfreebox.com. It's a huge and beautiful free platform that contains over 500 AI templates that cover any field you are working on, like in plugin, sales, social media, YouTube, and much more. So here I can use this amazing website, and here in the search bar we can look for something like about product. This one, AI product description writer. And of course, I just talked about this amazing website in detail. You can find this video down below in the description box in the first comment. Anyway, you can head over to search button and insert here your description that you have taken from Nutriprofits regarding Rivamen product. Then you can select a style, so I can make it this one, lifestyle, your target language like English, and generate. And here in just a few seconds, here you can find amazing and organized description of this product as you see. Perfect, amazing. And now you can take this amazing description of your product to your landing page, and for sure it's up to you to create your landing page to promote your product. And you can find down below in the description box, the first comment, a big list of the more than 20 websites to create your free landing page to promote your products, like this one, Telegra.ph. And basically Telegra.ph belongs to Telegram application, but this website is for free to publish your stories and your ideas without any registration, and it contains different editing tools as you can find on medium.com. And now we can use this landing page to insert here your description that you have taken from AIfreebox. So we can go back to our website here and we can take this title, amazing, attractive one, and here in Telegra.ph, Control V, and your story or your body of your message here. So I can take this entire description, perfect, copy here on Telegram.ph, perfect. So here I can actually insert here a picture or a photo of this product you want to promote, and I will take this one from this landing page here, and so I can go to this image and download this product for a professional one, and these pictures would be like this one. So I can take any one of them. Then as for using this picture or this picture on your landing page like Telegra.ph, so we need a hosting website to this image. So I can use this amazing website that says postingimages.org. So you can choose your image from here, like this one for example, open to grab a direct link of this image, like this one, direct link, and copy this one and go back to our website Telegra.ph, and here you click over this image icon, insert here your link, enter. That's it. So here you can promote this product as a landing page with a beautiful image as a header of this article and a description of this one with a call to action as you see. So you can make it bold. Perfect. We can refine it, and now we can go back to our Nutriprofits.com where you can find your unique link. Copy this link and go back to Telegra.ph and then insert here this one, hyperlink. Perfect. And the same here in this call to action, perfectly. And we can insert here for one here, grab your magic solution, and we can insert your affiliate link as well. Perfect. So now we make our landing page ready to go and go to publish button. Perfect. So now we can use this landing page later on this video. Now we can move on to the next step. Just you can go to ChatGPT, and you can ask ChatGPT to give us different ideas and different topic ideas regarding this niche that is in our case stretch marks for pregnant or for women and so on. So I ask this one, give me a list of related topics to promote product. Okay, stretch marks. Okay, for example, and they click over this button, and here you go. You can find different amazing topics regarding your product. Perfect. So now we can stop here and we can get one of them. So you can get this one, for example, for pregnancy. Okay, and copy and go back to Google, and there is a step you can search for different articles talking about this topic in particular. So you can click Ctrl V. Okay, and you can find hundreds of these articles regarding this topic. So I can get this one randomly, copy link address, and now we can head over to this amazing website that says Infographics.in, where we can turn this blog post into a beautiful infographic prior to using it. So now we can click over this button, start for free, and now we can sign up for free. And here in this dashboard of Infographics.in, you can select from this drop down menu your content, either from URL as in our case, and topic and content that you can write down yourself, or you can copy paste, and PDF file. So I can keep it URL, select this aspect ratio of your infographic you want to generate, like vertical. Okay, and insert here this URL of your article. So I can go back again to Google and take this one, copy link address, and head over to Infographics, paste, and then click over this button, generate. As you see, amazing, attractive infographics regarding your topic and your article, as you see, with different styles that contains different tips for preventing these stretch marks. Okay, perfect. You can find for each of these infographics some editing tools. So I can click over this one, edit, so I can make it bigger, these headings and these paragraphs. So I can you can make it bigger, the headline, the title of our infographic, and here you can find different fonts as you like. Okay, and here for headings like these in this preview, perfect, and here for paragraphs and these words. So I can just customize a little bit by moving it like this one, and okay, to make it these words more clear and more readable. And for sure you can find an amazing feature here on Infography if you wanna add some graphics or some illustrations to your infographic that match more with these paragraphs. So you can go to this upload section where you can upload your image and your vectors. And if you ask me where we can get these free vectors that you can use commercially for free, there are a lot of different websites. For example, this one, public domain vectors, you can find huge amounts of these free commercial vectors and illustrations regarding any topic you want. Or you can go to this undraw.co, an open source network. You can find huge amounts of these vectors illustrations, so you can here insert your keyword regarding your tabs and your points. Or this one, reshot.com, here you can find huge amounts of these illustrations and icons and vectors. Or simply you can depend on AI generators like recraft.ai. It's an amazing website where you can generate high quality vectors and illustrations as you want. So simply you can go to create a new project here. Now we can go to image section, and here from this arrow we can select your style you want. So I can go to this one. I make it illustration or vector art as you like, for example. So I can make our vector like for colored pencil or cutout or cosmics and so on. And I will go back to illustration, for example, and I will take it full sketch, apply, and insert here your sentence regarding your points included in your infographic. Click over this button, recraft, and just in a snap you can find an elegant and attractive illustration that reflects this keyword and this description or this prompt, like this one. And you can find another alternative like this one and so on. So I can keep this one, and for sure you can update different editing tools for this image or this illustration. In other words, like you can remove the background and more. So I can export this one and export as PNG. Now we can go back to our infographic, and now we can like this one, and you can drag here beside your point, okay, as you like. Perfect. So I can just remove it, and we can keep all these infographics as they are crafted here on this website. And now we can download this infographic using different formats. I can keep it PNG with a size of this one, okay, 1200 and 3000 pixels. Download. And now we can move on to the next step. Just we can go to this amazing website, that is simpleImageResizer.com, to resize your infographic. So I can select this one, dimensions, and uncheck keep aspect ratio, and insert here this width and height, like 1000 for width and for 1500 for height, and resize. Download, save image as to your device. Time now to take advantage of this one, and you can customize a little bit, and by going to canva.com. And here on Canva we can go to the search bar and look for templates like Pinterest pen, like these dimensions. Okay, create a blank Pinterest pen. Now we can go to upload section to upload our infographic in its new size. Upload, and now we can set image as background as you see. And now it's time to add a call to action in the end of this infographic. Like you can head over to your click the link in this image. So you can go to text and insert a heading or anything else. Okay, and for sure you can get this call to action quickly from ChatGPT. And now we can ask this amazing tool to give us a call to action. Give me a short call to action to promote my revampment for stretch mark, and keep the sentence concise and short. So I can click or enter, copy, and go back to our canva.com, insert your call to action like this one, and with another color to be distinguishable, and effects here to make it black like this one. Okay. Perfect. And now we can go to this element section and click and select this one. Okay, and like this one, for example. And now you can download this Pinterest pen on Pinterest, where you can find these infographics are performing well on this platform and highly demanded because it conveys different topics, ideas, pieces of advice, and much more. So you can take advantage of these infographics to drive traffic to your blog post or your affiliate offers. So now you can go to Pinterest.com, and here you can upload your image, and it would be like this one. So anyone, just you can read this infographic. Here you can find down below this call to action, and you click over this pin. He will be taken to your landing page that's on Telegra.ph. So now you can spice it up by adding here your link. So you can go back to our copy this link address and go back to Pinterest, add your link here, and now you can go to ChatGPT. Give me an attractive title and caption to my pin about, and then search here this product for preventing pregnancy and okay, so I can take as you see. So if women click over this pin, would be taken to your landing page that contains your product you are promoting, with a call to action with a description of your product as you see. Make the best of this strategy to promote your affiliate products regarding any niche, any topic you like, using infographics. And if you enjoy this video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for my channel for more tips and tricks to make money online. And with the video, thank you for watching and see you later.